damn.
Yeah, let's cut those out. That looks great.
That was way better than our first one. Holy shit.
What's up guys, this is Cameron at Relentless Shine, and today we have a 2021 GMC Denali HD or 2500, and we've already got full front and clear broad done, but today what we wanted to kind of demo and show is a little bit of self-healing action with Feynlab Self-Heal Plus ceramic coating. That's our biggest, baddest ceramic coating. So we've been installing to this side of the truck already, and then we've got a test panel that will actually take a brass brush to create some swirls, probably worse than your microfiber towels and wash mitts will, and then use a heat gun to make them disappear right in front of you. You know, funny business. It's just a straight through video, and you'll get to see what this coating really will do on your vehicle.
I have two cameras.
So you can set it up however you want, but looks like Elmer's glue. Smooth, simple. I think once we get closer, we can go spend some time there and get a pretty good idea on right.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our videos. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, hit the alert button so you can see when we get new videos dropped. We'll drop the links in our description for our products for sale online and our website for the shop here in San Antonio. If you're local, feel free to give us a visit.